Hi, this is Cooking with Tia. Today I'm going to be making Khao Tom, or rice with meat, pork, which I marinated. I start with a banana leaf. I have some banana leaf. I already kind of pre-cut, and then washed it and wiped it off clean. Please wash your banana leaf. They're really, really dirty. And then I have, this is sticky rice, or they call it glutinous or sweet rice. I call it sticky rice. And this rice, I had to soak it since yesterday. So it's been pre-soaked. I soaked it, and then I drained the water out. And then I'm gonna add some salt to season it. And for my pork, I used the pork shoulder or pork butt. I cut into strips here. And I also marinated this last night with hoisin sauce, oyster sauce, a little bit sugar, and a little bit MSG, and black pepper. That's it. And then some I'm gonna add also this mung bean. Get the one that's peeled. This is also soaked since last night. And I also drained it. And then I put black pepper in it to season it. That's all I need. And I'm gonna put this in it too. And then there's some that I'm just gonna put meat only and no bean. Okay, let's get started. Before I get started, I haven't seasoned my rice, so I'm just gonna start seasoning the top. I'll season as I go a little bit, because my rice is kind of it'll be kind of smush. I don't want to mush up that much, so just kind of stir it. Season a little bit. And here's the banana leaf. I'm gonna put about 3 scoops in the middle. 1, 2, 3, and kind of make a little dip here for the meat. I'm gonna probably use 3 to 4 strips of meat, depending how thick my meat is. This one I might use 4. And some has some fat. Some people like to use the belly fat, the pork belly fat. I like that too, but I think it's too greasy. And I'm gonna get a little bit to cover the meat. This one I didn't add the bean, the mung bean. Okay, here's how I'm gonna wrap it. Fold it up to the middle. I'm gonna start rolling it in really tight. A couple roll, 2 or 3, and kind of press it kind of down. I'm gonna fold this in. On this side, fold it in. Oh. So another one kind of has a hole. Since I didn't want to stir the rice to break it, I'm gonna a little more season as I go, a little bit salt. Kind of mix it a little bit. Okay. 3 scoops. 1, 2, 3. Make a little dip in the middle. This one, no mung bean, just meat only. And about 3 to 4 strips, depending on how big the strip of meat you have. So then 1/2 spoon, kind of cover it. Fold it in the middle. I'm gonna roll it in. 1, maybe 2, 3, 2, and 3 real tight, and kind of fold it in. Wrap like a boat in. Okay, let me tie it. Tight, real tight. Like I said, we're gonna boil this for I'm gonna have boil 4 of them, maybe 3 to 4 hours. Do a small batch. Okay, that's meat. Okay. Okay, my sticky rice with pork is ready to unravel. It's been 3 hours cooking, boiling high temperature, and at the time I kept adding water too, because I had cooked in a small pot. But if you had a big pot, you don't need to. Like the pot behind me there, I have a big one. Keep the string, because I'm gonna cut with the string instead of the knife. That's too much water. It's hot. I just took it out. I don't know which one I didn't mark it. If this one has bean or no bean. Let's see. It's done. Here we go. Yeah, can't tell until I cut it. Here's what it looks like. And the banana leaves kind of gives it that kind of a green rice on the rice. It's a white. And then when you're ready to eat it, I think for Laos people eat it during a New Year or special occasion. They like to make it go into the temple. You cut it with the string and just press down. So you don't want to cut with a knife, it's sticky in the string. Just make a section. There you go. And then some people eat it with sugar or dip it in soy sauce, make it spicy, whatever you want to eat it. I just like to eat it plain. So there it is. Try it. I like the meat. It's hot. Tasty meat.